Today, we will be talking about water. Fact number 1.
The average faucet releases 2 gallons of water per minute.
Fact number 2. 3 sextillion, 700 septillion gallons of water exist on Earth's surface. Fact number 3.
So I'm going to explain the water cycle to you. This water in this little pond here, it evaporates up into the clouds, and the clouds get full of it, and it rains down into this river right here. And it's the same thing with the pond. The river evaporates up into the clouds, and it rains back down. That's basically the water cycle. So this dinosaur that you just saw, he drank some water, and then he had to relieve himself. So that evaporated up into the sky and changed into water in the clouds. And just like in the water cycle, it rains back down as water into a pond. And that pond does the same thing everything else does. And once it gets hot, it evaporates up into the clouds. And it's water, it goes in and rains down again into another pond. Just when you think that water's clean, it's not. You take the water and you bring it to a water factory so it can get nice and clean for human consumption. And once you have that water, as you can see, the water factory cleaning up, you take it and you get to drink it. So you can see this little boy here, he's drinking a glass of water, and it's all that clean water from 2,000 years ago. So that's explaining how you might be drinking a 2,000-year-old water.
Number 4. Ever really thought about the benefits of good hydration?
No, I've never really thought about that.
Well, water can prevent all sorts of things, like arthritis, cavities, and even heart cancer.
That's good to know. I had no clue that water can prevent all those things.
Fact number 5. Whoa, didn't see you there. Well, I'm right here. So, anyway, did you know that 90% of that Dr. Pepper that you're drinking is made of water? Wow, I didn't know that Dr. Pepper has so much water in it. Number 6. This tomato looks delicious. It is delicious.
Speaking of tomatoes, did you know that tomatoes are made of 95% of water?
Really? That must be why there's so much juice. Number 7. Hey there, what you doing? Oh, hi, I was just doing some math equations. Oh, sounds fun. Speaking of math, did you know that your brain is 70% water? Wow, I guess that's why they say water is the fuel that keeps you pumping. No, no one says that. Oh. Fact number 8. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Well, here's the thing. I was writing my essay on helium when I saw a typo. So I reprinted it. And then there was something wrong with that one. So I reprinted it too. And then... Wait. Hold it right there. You can't waste that much paper. How many copies have you made? That was my 75th copy. You can't waste that much paper. Why not? I'm a well-paid scientist. I can afford that much paper. No, you're wasting water. It takes 2.6 gallons of water to make 1 sheet of paper and 195 gallons of water to make 75. That's a lot of water. I think from now on, I'm going to think twice before I print something out. Good idea. Fact number 9. This water smells delicious. Very hydrating.
I'm not sure that's a good thing.
Why?
Well, actually, the purest water has no taste or smell.
Oh, guess I'm not going to be drinking that.
Bloopers! Those are so good.